Here comes a train of toys so bright, rolling along in the morning light. But oh no, it stops on the mountain track. The toys look worried, they can't get back. They ask the big engine strong and tall, but none will help, no, not at all. The toys are sad, what will they do? Then comes a little engine, small and blue. I think I can, yes I can, yes I can. Little and small, but strong and true. The little blue engine will pull them through. Up, up, up the mountainside, the toys all cheer and clap with pride. I think I can, the engine cries, puffing steam as the mountain flies. I think I can, yes I can, yes I can. Over the top, into the sun, the mountain climb is finally done. Down the hill to the town below, the children cheer as the train does go. The toys arrive all safe and grand, thanks to the little blue engine so grand.